Hold up, guys. Before we start this video, before we get into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to Wesley Campbell. He's the one that made up this video for this YouTube short, POV. And he commented on my YouTube shorts that he said that they're really funny. So big shout out to him. But yeah, let's get right into it. Bro, shut up. My gosh. Big brother, you're grounded. You're grounded when we get home, okay? Okay? My kids are so dumb these days. Kids, hang tight.
Well, we're dead.